Today I want to address a comment on one of my recent videos that perfectly voiced the reason that people don't invest. The comment went as follows: "Yep, that is exactly what I want to do with my money. Place it in a place I won't touch until I'm 70, so that my children can enjoy it while I rot 7 feet under." But there are a lot of problems with this way of thinking. First of all, he assumes that you need to invest such a large amount that you cannot enjoy life anymore, which is not advisable for anyone. But the truth is, if you just put 10% of your income aside and invest it in the right places, you will eliminate any kind of financial stress in your life within 10 years. And unless you are living paycheck to paycheck, chances are you are already putting money aside. And if you ever need that money for a life-changing experience, you can still liquidate some of your assets and use that money for it. So the only reason you are not investing is because you are scared of short-term losses.